Today we are exploring 4 beautiful borders using just one basic icord technique. It opens up endless possibilities for your scarf, blankets, and garments. I will use scissors, 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, simple scarf with 2 stitch icord edge and a silk mohair yarn. To start, let's see where exactly in what space we need to insert our hook. As it is 2 stitch icord edge, we should insert our needle or a hook exactly into the chain, and you will see from the top we're just isolating the chain. So here is where we are inserting our crochet hook. Let's start from a simple single crochet border. I like to insert my hook not exactly into the first stitch, but you can do it at the first stitch. Let's pull our yarn through and create the first loop. So leave your yarn tail as is. We will take care of it later. We'll pull through another loop just to secure it. Insert your hook to the next chain space and pull the yarn through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the working yarn and pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. I will repeat this a few more times, but this is always to create a simple, nice and beautiful single crochet border. If in UK terms, it's a double crochet. Let's continue in the same scarf, and the next one will be picot border. To start, we need 2 single crochet. As it's already there, we can do chain 3 straight away and slip stitch into the base of the chain. You can scoop 1 or 2 chains in the base. I like to do it for 2. Then let's continue with 2 single crochet and repeat. As you see, just a small change and such a big difference. The next one, let's try small shell border. Let's start with 2 single crochet, then 3 double crochet in the next space. Yes, in one space, 3 of them. Then again 2 double crochet and repeat. So simple manipulations and amazing results. And now let's combine everything that we learned and do edge number 4, pointed shell border. We start with 2 single crochet, and then in one space we do 2 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch to the base of our chain, and again 2 double crochet and everything into the same space, and then repeat. One simple scarf, a simple 2 stitch icord edge, so many possibilities. Let's not forget that we had our yarn tail at the beginning that we have to take care of now. What we can do, we can actually use our crochet hook for that, or maybe easier way is just to use your darning needle. The best way is just to um, kind of place your yarn along the edge, same way, the same place when it's your fluffy mohair edge. Normally, you would do back and forth to trap your tail, but as it's just a mohair yarn, it tends to stuck anyway. So maybe one way could be enough. And the bonus tip: if you've done a mistake and you want to unravel your mohair yarn, the usual advice would be you to take your scarf or whatever you're working on, put it in the freezer for 10-15 minutes, and it will unravel a lot easier. The other way, just to use a needle, place it close to your stitch which you're unraveling, and tension will help to release the one before. And thank you very much for watching.